Hey guys, this is Aaron from Breakdance Decoded, and welcome to this episode of Ask Aaron. So the question today is, had you sometimes felt that breaking is not for you? Wow, I don't even know how to answer this, because when I first started breaking, I had totally zero clue what I was doing. Like, a lot of the time I was like, is this how it's supposed to be done? I don't feel right doing this. Yes, okay. A lot of times I felt that this is not for me. I came from a martial arts background, and dancing, I was totally clueless. I have like 2 left feet. I can't even count and dance on beat. Okay, I was really bad in that. But what I just want to bring across is that if you really like something, like for example, I really like breaking, and you keep doing what you do, invest the time and hours to actually go and do it, practice it, learn what's the correct way to do things, eventually everything will work out for you. Like, you'll feel like, hey, this is getting easier. Nobody was never meant for anything new. There are people who are talented, there are people who are not. But what matters is the amount of hours you invest in things if you want the results. Okay, so there you go. It all goes down the same thing. Investing of hours to make sure you practice and improve.